I talked to several people yesterday about that thing, and I pretty much have it figured out. Problem is, I went to 2 wineries and 4 roses, and I forgot whatever it was they told me. So what are you up to today?
I am gonna get on the water. I'm gonna go to Shepherdsville and meet some friends and hopefully put a paddle into the Salt River. But before you do that, why don't you come with me and I've got a little surprise for you.
Oh, you do you?
I do, something that'll wake you up, get that heart racing.
Well, you know, I do have a lot of work today. I've got to go to 2 more wineries to finish my wine gauntlet. I just happen to know of a restaurant not far from here that just opened up at our friends at Jim Beam's. And then I think that's probably it. Honestly, I'm still tired from yesterday.